Here is how to block adult sites in Google Chrome web browser. So in order to block adult sites in Google Chrome, you need to follow the simple steps. First, go ahead, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. And from the menu that appears, go ahead and tap on Settings from the bottom. Now select Privacy and Security from the left-hand side of the screen that is below Autofill and Passwords. Click on the Security option, which is between Add Privacy and Site Settings. Now scroll down and go to Advanced and select Use Secure DNS and toggle this option on. Go ahead and select DNS Provider. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Clean Browsing Family Filter. And this will filter out and block adult content. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and block adult sites on Google Chrome web browser. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.